Hi, this is our movie Dead Flower. I hope you like it.
What's it called? Dead Flower?
Okay. Yeah.
I want to see it.
Okay. This is what you do. When you hold it, you always hold it like. Hold on. Okay.
What are you doing?
Hold on. Don't walk toward me. Okay.
Hi, this
2, 3.
Hi, this is our movie Dead Flower. I hope you like it.
Okay.
You should have got that, dude.
I did. Now start your run.
Me?
Yeah.
I don't even know it yet. I
Okay.
don't even know it yet, dude. Here, just give us a little time to practice.
Ready? Should I start yet? Tell me when.
Yeah. Right now.
Hi, I'm Taylor. Wait, look at my face.
No. We don't want to say that.
I'm Taylor Sharp.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Taylor Sharp, and I'm about to do my run. I live in Encinitas. I'm 10 years old. Sorry about the language.
Come on, quit.
I'm not having a good day today. Shit happens.
You know I'm not taking.
Oh, good.
Woo! Thank God.
Let me see it.
Good. Okay. We want this to. Okay, do like your little spin trick. Come down, ollie the crack, come around, nose like that little curve, come around, ollie that little gap, and that will be it, okay?
How's this? How do you like this?
Yeah, do that, okay? Come on. Okay, now think, come on, to a nose slide. Nose slide.
I can't no slide. But I'll go like this.
Then you'll ollie that. Okay.
You gotta look at my face. Now run. What's your run?
I don't know, dude.
Okay.
Move, Ramon.
Should I start yet?
Yeah.
Hi. Here.
Here, I want to focus.
Oh, duh, I'm not filming.
Oh,
Good thing, though, because yours was crappy at the start.
His was good, I thought.
Now, you don't have to say your name over, okay? Because it will be on the tape. Okay, go.
Oh, give me your 2 boards. Give me a board. Okay, stop. 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 Watch out. Oh! Hey, stop filming.
This is my sister Jamie, which really sucks.
I suck.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Okay. Now we gotta do.
Go. Look at the sweet bands. Ooh. I didn't pull it. Oh, fucking A.
No, keep on shooting.
What's wrong with eating, boy?
I can't stop filming.